Hi everyone, and welcome back to Irish Worlds. So in this one, myself, Rob, Dale and Steph are doing something totally different. We are going to help out a friend, Sam, who's opened up his own airsofting shop. Airsofting shop? I don't know, I'm probably saying that wrong. An airsoft shop. So we're going to help him out and get the shop ready for the opening date, which is on the 1st of December. And just basically help him out around the store and probably play a game of Warhammer or something. But either way, I'm going to take you there now. So in the next clip, you'll probably see me outside the store. So see you guys in a second. Right, so we're outside the new airsofting shop in Cavan. A friend of mine has actually started opening up this place, and we're just going to help him out with a couple of things, like building a couple of game tables, and I'll show you what's going on inside. Things are still a little bit rough.
My mate is just admiring your gun there.
Oh, you took the guns down.
Just let me look at those things. Are you doing a GoPro?
Yeah. Now look, we're in the middle of building a table.
Yeah. Did you ever get any other outdoor sports?
There's Steph with the gun.
Airsoft, Warhammer.
Sexy!
Where's the part when we get in there? What about
Sweet.
games like rollerblading or longboard?
I wouldn't get that stuff.
Would longboard be anything?
Yeah, longboard skating, so I get that.
Right, no, because my missus is trying to get a longboard.
Yeah.
Whenever you find somewhere to order, I guess you just for whatever one you want. That'll be my
I'm gonna
compass.
get a sick one.
I know you are. Watch
I'm gonna get like lots of LED lights around it too, so my car can make it like nice. So.
Yeah.
You can show that around.
So yeah, the shop is being opened. Sophie, hello people. Hello. Moments later. Alright, so we've stopped playing a little bit of the game. Small dice. Not sure who's winning yet. Yeah, so it's going really well. So we decided to order some pizza. Check it out. Pizza!
Could you grab the blue tissue there, because it's just really blue.
This tissue. Catch. Hey, that look cool. Right, we're gonna eat. So we got the guns up. Right, so we're done for the day. And we're closing up shop. So we're on our way out. We're gonna close up shop and head on home. Bye, Chef. I hope you liked that one. And just to let you know, Sam's shop is going to open on the 1st of December, so it'll be this week. I hope that I get this video out on time. But if you saw anything on the video that you would like and you want to save it, or if you want to pre-order it in, then I'll leave Sam's little business card here so you can see it. Do give him a call for any pre-orders that you want, either for the Airsoft stuff or for the Warhammer 40k stuff. He'll be able to pre-order them in. He'll be doing pre-orders every single week, but that is subject to change. So do just give him a call, because at least that way he'll be able to, you know, tell you whether or not he's able to get it in. We may be thinking of starting an Airsoft team here in Cavan, but I'm not really sure about what to do with that yet. So I'll be talking to the others about it, and hopefully you might be seeing quite a lot of Airsoft stuff from us in the future. Because it was something that before all of this mess happened that myself and Jared were talking about, but I'm not sure how he's going on about that on his end, but we'll see either way. But do give him a follow on his Facebook page, and he's quite active on that. I believe he has an Instagram page as well, but I'll make sure to put all the descriptions down below. So as always, do like, share, comment and subscribe, and hit the notification button if you haven't already, because it would be nice. That algorithm love from YouTube, definitely a thing. So do like, do all this stuff, like share, comment, subscribe. Okay. Anyway, look, I better go, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Adios!